Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Z League. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Z League app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated. After that, tap on your profile icon found in the top right corner. From here, we will choose the cogwheel or the settings in the right corner, and you will be redirected to this page. Here, you should be able to see your total balance and your withdrawable balance. Basically, if you play, then your playable balance will become your withdrawable balance if you win. Now, if you want to cash out or withdraw money, you will tap on the Transactions tab, and it's going to show you all your transactions. Here, you should see a Cash Out button. So just tap on Cash Out, and it's going to ask how much you want to withdraw. Now, set the amount and click on Next. So here, if we want to withdraw $5, you'll type in 5, select Next, and then follow the on-screen instructions. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Z League. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.